Well, it's a beautiful day here in the Ozarks, so we are going to take the motorcycle out and do a long ride through the Ozarks, and we're going to take some pictures and some video of Tablerock Lake and see what we can see. Our first stop was at Pensmore Castle. Well, as close as we could get anyways. It's a very large castle, about 72,000 square feet here in the Ozark Mountains near Highlandville. It's got 14 bathrooms, 13 bedrooms, 5 stories tall, and the exterior walls are 12 inches thick of concrete. It was designed to survive earthquakes, tornadoes, and even bomb blasts. It's a pretty incredible building. I'd love to get closer, but it's just not possible. Here we're going to go ahead and hit the highway for quite some time. We actually made about a 165-mile round trip around the lake in the Ozarks. We went from Ozark, Missouri down through Branson, and we kind of cut across over by Silver Dollar City and Shepherd of the Hills, and then we kept on going down around that loop till we got down by Tablerock Lake, and we stopped, took a couple pictures there, and then we continued on around to the other side of the lake, which is all the way over by Shell Knob. Beautiful area. I used to live over there, and so I wanted to take Jen over there and show her kind of my old neck of the woods. And we stopped by Pizza Hut and ate a little bit of lunch, and then walked down to the dock and looked at the lake for a little while before coming back around. So anyways, we'll just go ahead and I'll try to fast forward through some of the road parts and slow down for some of the more scenic areas, just so you don't have to watch about 2, maybe 3 hours worth of rides. So we kind of cut it up, and I'll speed up and slow down just to kind of show you the highlights and make this a shorter video. So I hope you enjoy, and thanks for watching.
Contemplating all my time. My thoughts make me tired, just running through my mind. Wonder if there's peace that I could find, instead of always being on the grind. I need a new purpose, I'm looking for so much more. Don't leave me here searching, you're just what I'm longing for. When times are getting crazy and everything seems hazy, is there some place for safety I can go? Run away, run away, run away into your escape. Run away, run away, run away, you're never too far to run. Run away, run away, run away into your escape. Louder than all my fears. Sometimes I just wanna disappear, running until I can feel you near. I need a new purpose, I'm looking for so much more. Don't leave me here searching, you're just what I'm longing for. When times are getting crazy and everything seems hazy, is there some place for safety I could go? Run away, run away, run away into your escape. Run away, run away, run away, you're never too far to run. Run away, run away, run away into skin exposed so bright. You were my woman with the wind in her eyes. I saw that night came through. That red flag went up and you told me to quit. I disregarded your wisdom and I blame it on my kin. Pardon my French to all my conservatives. A slip of the tongue is better than a laugh not in. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Oh, yes, it is. Come a long way since that night when I hit rock bottom, my skin exposed so bright. You were my woman with the wind in her eyes. I saw that night came through. I laid in the ocean, you ran out to sea. I couldn't focus my vision, my blood was running down me. You called out my name, I was slow to respond. But we live in a house now, every day we thank God that when I laid on the surface, you were all I looked for. That brace couldn't hold me, I was called by the Lord. You're a reverend preacher, I'm a man with no gun. And I'm foolish for love, cause I'm a prodigal son. Come a long way since that night when I hit rock bottom, my skin exposed so bright. You were my woman with the wind in her eyes. I saw that night came through.
We were catching the light from the window. Looking up, you were driving slow. I can see through it all with my eyes closed. We were never meant to be alone. There was a part of me that couldn't let go. Needed remembering I'm not on my own. Ooh, I'll go where you go. Knocks on my window. Let's keep it simple. I'll go where you go. Lit a fire deep inside my mirror. I'm filling up rooms in your head. Flying through it all like an arrow. I'm feeling like myself again. There was a part of you that couldn't let go. Needed remembering we're not on our own. I'll go where you go. Knocks on my window. Let's keep it simple. I'll go where you go. You got the light.
This is down on the Shell Knob side of the lake. We stopped and they've got a Pizza Hut that's up here on the water, and walked down the stairs to the dock. They've got a dock here for it. And they used to live about 2 miles down the road on the lake here. Kind of nice to be back here. Nostalgic, brings back some memories. Here I'm going to go ahead and just throw in a few pictures from our trip along the way, and not really in any particular order, just put them up there randomly. And once again, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.